Hi, I'm Sean.
And I'm Alicia.
We're a couple from Toronto, Canada, moving to Chelmsford in the United Kingdom.
Follow our journey as we experience the ups and downs of living abroad. Good morning, guys. So now that we're out of quarantine, we just want to give you a little walking tour of the place we're living. So we're in a place called Chelmsford, and just some fun facts. It's about 40 minutes on the train from London. It officially became a city in 2012, and it's the birthplace of radio. So we'll just give you a tour and follow along. So our first stop is the Chelmsford Cathedral. So we've been able to hear this building and its beautiful bells every day that we're in quarantine, so it's great that we get to see it in person. So some more fun facts: this place was actually established in the 13th century, but the building you see behind us was built in the 1950s. Next up, we are on High Street, which is the main kind of shopping center here. Unfortunately, with COVID, everything is closed at the moment, but there are some great vendor stalls set up, kind of like a little farmer's market on the weekends. And an interesting fact is that in the UK, it's pretty much common that any main shopping center in a city is called High Street. Next, we're on Street, so it's one of the oldest areas of the city, and as you can see, there's a lot of old English charm and some really cute row houses. The cool thing here is that we don't have to wait for lights often because they have all these tunnels that go under the street lights, which is awesome and super convenient. Got from all the way over there to all the way over here in no time at all. Alright guys, so next we are in the City Central Park, and it is absolutely beautiful. There are so many trails and trees and really nice like aesthetic bridges, so it's a great place to come and just hang out. We also got some coffee, so we're going to be here for a bit just sitting and enjoying the beautiful weather, and we'll take you down a trail or two. Wrapping up our tour here. We're still in the park, and there's this beautiful area behind us that has these amazing fountains, and there's lots of birds, even some Canadian geese, which is a little bit interesting. And it's such a nice day today, such different weather from what we're used to back home in Canada. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to like and subscribe and keep following for more content. Oh, we are all